Hello, it's Bonnie from Everything Country CA, and I'm in my cabin out in the wilds of Vancouver Island, and it's just a very rustic cabin. We have no electricity, no running water into the cabin. We have a gravity fed water system, and there's my little kitchen. Isn't that cute? I like to add the blue accents, so I brought some of my blue enamelware out. I'm actually going to be making a tzatziki for our Souvlaki dinner, and basically the recipe is very simple, and it's just half a cucumber, some salt and pepper. I put 2 of the plain yogurts, a little bit of the dill seasoning, and I've gotten here some garlic infused olive oil, so I'll use about a tablespoon of that, and then a tablespoon of the extra virgin olive oil, and then a little bit of the 1 teaspoon or half a teaspoon of the white vinegar, and just try it to taste, and it actually works out quite well, and I'll show you what it looks like after I've made it. Okay, so I grated that half a cucumber, and I'm just going to pop it into this bowl with some paper towel, and that's going to absorb most of the water, and it doesn't take long, and I'll just leave it there for a minute. Okay, so I got the yogurt in here. I'm going to add a tablespoon of this garlic infused olive oil, and then the dill and the extra virgin olive oil. So it's going to be 1 tablespoon of the garlic infused oil, 1/2 teaspoon of vinegar to start, and then the 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and a half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of this dill paste, which is really easy to use. I love using that one. Super easy when you're at the cabin. So I'll put that in with the yogurt. I noticed I had it said cleaning vinegar, so I'm going to use this white vinegar from by Allen's just to make sure there's no difference. I haven't checked if there is, but I'm going to use this other vinegar. So here it is. I only added about 1/8 of a teaspoon of the salt and the pepper, just a few shakes of each. So that's all ready, and I just need to now press this just to get more of that water out, and if there's still lots of water, I can let's see, I'll just dump this and see what happens. It looks pretty good. I might do it one more time with another paper towel, so just hold on. This is my quick and easy cabin version of tzatziki, and it works out quite well. Okay, I think that's good, and I'll just mix that in with the rest of it. Made sure I got all of the the tzatziki, or sorry, all of the cucumber, and now I'll just mix this up, and I'm going to taste it and see if it's strong enough. I might add a little bit more dill if I like it to be a little bit stronger dill flavor, but it's looking pretty good already. So I'll just give it a little taste. Get a spoon out. Okay, I added a tiny bit more salt and pepper, and then a little bit, about maybe another half teaspoon of the dill paste, and did the taste test, and it tastes great. So I'm going to put it in the fridge, and that will last easily till tomorrow if I need it to. And for a fridge, what we have actually at the cabin is I've got everything stacked in there, but I've got 2 blocks of ice in the bottom part of the freezer, and that keeps everything cold for 3 days, so it's pretty good. And then it's just like the old days, and then we just keep our cooler for our drinks and milk and things. So that's our cabin, and I'll show you after, when we have our meal, what my plate looks like with our souvlaki. It's gonna look great. I did the taste test again, and I ended up adding another tablespoon of the garlic infused olive oil, and the reason I'm using the garlic infused olive oil is because I have a little bit of a sensitivity to fructans, so if it's garlic infused, it supposedly does not affect you, and I really enjoy the flavor. So that's what I did, and as I said, I'll show you a picture of our meal, the plate as it's plated, our souvlaki dinner tonight at the cabin. It's a little bit windy outside, but thanks for joining today, and we will have another video next week, or I will have another video next week for you when I'm back in town. See you soon. Thanks for joining.